Hi everyone, welcome to Trade Only in the Zone YouTube channel. Now we are going to see Nifty and Bank Nifty level for coming week and as well as the long term view. So this is view for long term, not for a short term. It is long term. So long time, as long as Nifty trading above 12,544, there is a chances of 15,376 and even 16,384. This is my long term view. So as per this, keep on the market is keep on moving higher high only. So now we are in the bull market. So selling, if we get for intraday or short term, we can do it. But for the long term, it is in buy trend. The target has not yet reached. So at least it has to reach 15,376. So until we can try to buy, but for intraday or 1 or 2 3 days holding, so we can expect some fall and then bounce back like this. So positionally, it is in buy mode. So we'll see the short term trend and short term levels. So if you see short-term level, previously before budget, market was at buy level. So it started moving up. So still it is in buy because again the next zone the price was entered. So minimum target should be like 15,129. So if this level reached, then we can try to sell it. If not, if price is coming down, we can try to buy at 14,400. This is the good support. So where we can keep a stop loss of 14,161. This is our stop loss point. So we can take a buy entry for the target of 15,129 and 15,376. This is what I'm expecting Nifty in coming week. Even tomorrow, Monday itself, it can reach 15,129 and it can started falling down, or it can move further and there it can start moving down. But right now I'm not in the fully buy mode because technically it is on trend line. So anytime it can break the trend line, it can fall, but this is not a sell number. So the aggressive sell also I don't recommend. So if Nifty reaching 15,129, if any sell pattern formation, then we can sell it till 14,400 or at least 14,641. This is my short term view in Nifty. And even we see bank Nifty levels. As I was mentioning in the blog continuously that bank Nifty, as long as trading above 30,976, there is a possibility of 35,344 and the maximum level of 36,864. This is the distribution zone for bank Nifty. So right now bank Nifty is in perfect sell range. So whenever I get a sell pattern, it is more or like I can short the market. So we can expect 32,400 at any time. The breakout point is 38,416. This is completely positioned, and moreover, one of our subscribers asked whether it is a spot price or future price. This is completely a spot price, so you can refer spot chart and trade with future. Okay, so right now it is in sell zone, that is positionally. So when we mentioned in the last video, it was here. So from here it was started trading high and now it has reached our sell zone. So where if any sell pattern form, then we can short the market. So we can expect minimum 32,400 and again 39,760. In case market breaks 38,416 on a daily close basis, then we can find out the next level of target upside. Until there is a possibility of, and we can have a look of short term view also. This is position for 2 weeks 3 weeks like that. But for short term, I'll give you levels for short term traders. So currently bank Nifty standing at the buy level. So this is only a short term. So in this area we can try to buy bank Nifty and we can expect the target around 36,481 and even it can move further 36,864. In case bank Nifty hit that 37,249 and it's after this level broken out, then we can re-enter at this level for a buying and we can expect further up move. So as long as bank Nifty trading in intraday basis, so if bank Nifty trading below 37,249, so we can again expect a fall. So now the buy range is, now it is already in. So as long as Bank Nifty in intraday trading above 34,969, so this level we can expect to target again towards 36. This is the zone right now at Bank Nifty. So again we can expect some consolidation since it is in the distribution zone. So we can expect some consolidation on this level. So buying at this level and selling at this level, and selling I probably do it at 36,864 in case if market reach. Otherwise I can try to sell at this 36,481. So again we can expect a fall. So there are breakout points for intraday also, so that you can just note it down. In case market break 37,249, there is a possibility of further up move. In case market break 34,969, again there is a possibility of fall further. So these are the levels for this week and for the long term also. I'm not giving any technical view. I've already updated one chart as per technical. So this video is completely based on our advanced GAN method. So this is what it is happening in the market. Last time, even on Friday, I mentioned buy above 35,721, and market shot up and hit target, and again it came down. So in case if I get again a buy chance at this level, I'll be buying it for this target. So my breakout level is very clear. So 37,249 is upside breakout, and 34,969 is the downside breakout. I hope you understand clearly. For in case if you want any levels on the same, you can refer our blog. Every day I'll mention the levels. So this is just a clarification for the next week trading. So thank you all. Thank you very much.